Myntri ketenat ke koit ke khiah ke Sorkar Meghalaya James PK Sangma minta kesengi ula Plie ke jaka sumar nongpang Pediatric Intensive Care Unit ha Ganesh Das Government Maternal and Child Health Hospital ha Shillong. Habakren ketika sengi James PK Sangma ula kintui ke doktor badi kiwe kinong tere jong ketenat ke koit ke khiah kenang ban kot syakata ke thong ban ai ke jing sumar ke babhado ye kinong pang.
I don't want to really go and elaborate further on that. I think it has been very eloquently elaborated by Mr. Kumar. I think that all I would like to add to what he said is that I'm in total agreement with him that whatever we set out, we cannot achieve until and unless all of us work unitedly and all of us work as a team. And this is what I would like to state here, that all of us must come together, set aside our differences and work together to achieve the goals which we are setting ourselves out for. These goals, these ambitious standards that we've set for ourselves, these are not easy. These are going to be extremely difficult and very challenging to achieve. But then I really believe that the way that things have been progressing so far, the way that everyone has come together and the way that we recently inaugurated the state-of-the-art diagnostic center, the fact that recently we passed the state health volunteers that we have just recently passed in the cabinet, the way things are moving forward is really something I'm very optimistic that we will be able to achieve these goals in the next coming 10 years. And Honorable Chief Minister has mentioned this in his Republic Day, in his 50th day speech, that we want to be in the next 10 years one of the 10 best states in the country. And I assure not just Ganesh Das Hospital but the entire health sector in the state of Meghalaya that we as a department, as a government, we have, we are very much focused, and we are very much keen on giving all the support that is required to the health department and to the health infrastructure.